Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you top trending unlinked codes out there, okay? And each of these codes houses tons of apps and utility apps also that you can use on the Fire TV and Android TV. So all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So first of all, if you don't have unlinked app on your Fire TV device, the steps to have it is quite easy. All you have to do is to make sure you download the app on your Fire TV device. If you don't know how to download this on your Fire TV, check out my other videos. I'll be linking it in this video so that you know how to get the downloader app. After you must have gotten the downloader app, next thing you have to do is to launch your downloader app. Once you launch it, then you click on downloader app, open it. Once you open it for the first time, once you launch it, then you open it. Then at this point, make sure you enter this code the way it is. After you enter this code, double check the code and triple check it and then click OK. So this is the code. So this code will allow us to get the unlinked app on our Fire TV device. So I already have downloader app on my Fire TV. That's why it's easier for me. But if you don't have downloader app on your Fire TV device, check out my other videos. I have the guide on how to do that. So enter this code and then click go. So this will allow us to install the unlinked app on our Fire TV, and which will allow us to use these codes. Okay, so make sure you have this, follow the steps I'm doing in this video. Once you get the unlinked app on your Fire TV device, then you can use any of these codes. Okay, so as you can see from the screen, it says click yes, and then yeah, so it's quite easy. And then once you have finished it, you just click done and then delete, and then to have this, to see the unlinked app, just click on home screen, go to my apps, and then this is it. So open the unlinked app. This is it. So at this point, you have to enter any of these codes I'm going to show you now. So the next video you'll be seeing is the unlinked codes that are trending now. So make sure you subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video and then share it with your friends that are using Fire TV or Android TV.